see Train Room Gary's layout in OGR Railroading Magazine, run 278, page 48 to 53, June, July 2015. Pick up a copy at your local hobby shop or subscribe online to the print or digital version. I'll leave a link below. Hi, this is Train Room Gary, and welcome to the Man Cave. Tonight we'll be doing a layout tour. All four main lines will be running, and then we'll take a look at item number 1, item number 2, and item number 3 in the special packages. Alright, tonight we have 3 things for show and tell. Item number 1 will be in a red bag. Item number 2 will be in a lunch bag. And item number 3 will be in a shipping box from FedEx. So let's take a look at the trains, and then we'll come back and open up these and see what we got for the train. Right, if this is your first time to Train Room Gary's Man Cave, this is what's called a shelf layout. The trains are running along a shelf, and at each end is a turnarounds. There are 4 main lines. Right now you're seeing the Amtrak go by. That's a old K line. And we'll kind of scan down here and give you the full view of the layout. It's 24 feet long along this basement wall. What's going by now is a Lionel Challenger. With Union Pacific passenger cars. This is a Lionel Chief Plus going by. Alright, we're back at the workbench. And here we go. Item number 1 is a Lionel tank car Pier Marquette. Alright, this is a single dome Pier Marquette by Lionel. And I like having local road names on my layout. And Pier Marquette meets that agenda. Okay, item number 2 is in the lunch bag. And it's not lunch. Let's take a look and see what we have here. It is a Rail King die-cast milk truck, Twin Pines Dairy. Alright, this is the Twin Pines Dairy, which is a Detroit dairy back in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And it even comes with a little milk thing there, put in his hand. Now, I'll put this on a layout, I'll set it up later. But this gives you an idea what it looks like. The Twin Pines Dairy Milk Truck. And the last item is item number 3. And this came in a box via Federal Express. And the last item is for trains and for making videos for YouTube. My President router is kind of crapping out on me. So I want to change the router, and this will allow me to be wireless throughout the house, hopefully. Supposedly has a range of 300 feet, and we'll soon find out. But this being a train video, I won't get into all the details of this item. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.